Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Persistent hiccups that last more than 48 hours can sometimes be a sign of an underlying health issue, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, nerve damage, or even more serious conditions like brain or liver disorders. If you experience continuous hiccups, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any significant ailments.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.